Hey everybody, today I'm going to be going over how to turn off the annoying like popping sounds in the Facebook app. So open the app and go to the hamburger menu at the top right, scroll all the way down. You're going to find settings and privacy, open that up and open up settings. Once settings is open, you're going to scroll all the way to the bottom of the page and hit media and contacts. Then hit the sounds in the app button. And now you should be able to take off all the sounds in your app, all the annoying like popping sounds, and also from that menu you can turn off the different video audio functions. Anyway, thanks for watching.